Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it is important to know that I'm here to help you prepare for your IELTS speaking exam with tips, strategies, and sample answers. In today's video, we're going to dive into an important cue card topic that many of you might get in the exam. I'll be sharing a well-structured response that you can use as a guide to prepare your own answer. So, if you're aiming to score high in the speaking section, make sure to watch till the end and don't forget to take notes. Please subscribe our channel for latest cue cards.
Describe a positive change that you have made recently in your daily routine. You should say what the change is. How have you changed the routine? Why do you think it is a positive change? And explain how you feel about the change. Getting up early and taking a morning walk is one constructive adjustment I've made to my daily schedule lately. In the past, I used to get up really late, usually 8:30 or even 9 a.m., which made me feel hurried and unproductive all day. I made the decision to change my routine a few weeks ago. I now take a 30-minute stroll in a neighboring park after waking up at 5:30 a.m. every day. I then meditate and perform some gentle stretching for around 15 minutes. My life has been much more positive as a result of this small adjustment. It was challenging at first, especially because I used to go to bed rather late. However, I gradually reduced the amount of time I spent on screens at night and started going to bed earlier. In order to resist the urge to press the snooze button, I also set an alarm and kept my phone away from my bed. For a number of reasons, I believe this to be a very positive move. First of all, I have more energy and mental clarity all day long. My ability to focus has increased, particularly while I'm studying or getting ready for the IELTS test. Second, I am now more physically active, which was lacking from my previous regimen, thanks to the early walk. Additionally, I've noticed that I'm in a better mood and feel less apprehensive or agitated. The silence in the early morning is my favorite part of this new regimen. I have time to think and make plans for the day because the air is clean and the surroundings are serene. My life seems to have been extended by hours. In summary, incorporating an early start and a morning walk into my regimen has significantly improved my general lifestyle, mental clarity, and physical health. I intend to continue in the long run since I feel happier, more motivated, and more disciplined.
And that's it for today's session. I hope you found this video helpful and that you're feeling more confident. Remember, practice and the right guidance are the keys to success, and if you want personalized coaching to boost your scores, you're welcome to join my classes. I offer both online and offline OET, IELTS, CD IELTS, CELPIP, PTE, TOEFL training sessions, where you'll get complete support for writing, speaking, reading, and listening modules, along with detailed feedback and tips. Whether you are starting from scratch or aiming for a higher grade, I can help you reach your goal faster. To know more or to book your seat, just check the link in the description or send me a message on the given contacts. I would love to help you succeed. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more helpful learning material. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon, either in the next video or in my class.